Hey Abbas, who is your favorite politician?
Anna Hazare.
Ooh, Hazare.
You know
Nice.
why?
I like that. I like that. I like that. Ask me what my favorite film is, man.
Hey, Antariksh, what's your favorite film?
Hazaro Khwaishe Aisi.
Wow, nice.
I've never even
Whoa.
seen it, but it's my favorite film of all time. Hey Snehil,
Yes.
what is your favorite form of currency?
1000 का note अंतरिक्ष
Ah! Wow.
and next up 2000 का
yes,
note.
2000 ka note. It's finally in the market. Why
Yes.
don't we have it?
Yes.
Because we don't have 2,000 subscribers, unlike having 1,000, which we have right now. Thank you so much. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Pop Conversation. I'm
ताली
Antarish
तो बजा यार
Thakkar.
1000.
Yeah, this is what happens. The awkwardness of the internet.
I swear.
Abbas, we have moved on to 3 sentences later. And Abbas like, hey, तुमने अपने आप को congratulate नहीं बोला. Welcome. So, Pop Conversation. I'm Antarish Thakkar.
स्नेहिल अनेजा
And I'm Abbas Momin.
Okay.
थोड़ा
And
देर लग गई वहां
there
तक
is-
पहुंचने में.
there is a delay in Abbas speaking. Please note. And we will try and remove that in post if we can, but it might not be as possible.
Yeah.
So,
पवाई का
why?
इंटरनेट स्लो है तो मैं क्या करूं?
Nice, nice. हो सकता है. You never know. नहीं, your internet is slow, Abbas. Where are you right now?
I'm in Bandra.
In Bandra. So, firstly, this is celebrating our
Yes,
1,000
1,000
subscribers. Wow, man.
I swear,
It
dude.
was much faster than I thought it would
40,
be.
45 days.
Yeah.
Like I remember having a conversation with you. Like I called you and I was like, भाई देखो 500 subscribers तो हो गए.
हाँ.
Now I'm hoping next 2 महीने में हमारे 1000 subscribers हो जाएं तो at least within the first 3 months we'll be able to complete 1000 subscribers and both the levels of monetization on YouTube. And he's like, अरे हो जाएंगे यार 3 महीने में तो dude that's too long. हो
100%
जाएंगे.
bro.
एंड आई एम लाइक भाई अपने पास कोई सेलिब्रिटी बैकिंग वैकिंग थोड़ी है तो हम ही 3 रैंडम लोग जो मुंबई में कहीं स्कैटर्ड हैं कर
No,
रहे
no.
हैं
हम दो
podcast.
and one guest.
कर रहे हैं पॉडकास्ट इज लाइक नहीं नहीं ब्रो हो जाएगा वी जस्ट हैव टू कीप एट इट
And we kept at it.
and we kept at it.
We're still going. And we won't let you down. Who do we have to thank for all this?
Everybody,
I would like to
yeah.
thank my mom, my dad, my brother and sister and Bhavi for being 5 of the subscribers.
But I actually have to thank my dad for this. पता है the other day like my dad called me and he's like how's the podcast thing going?
Okay.
I'm like सही जा रहा है पिछले एक हफ्ते से 2-3 सब्सक्राइबर्स ही बढ़े हैं we're on 890 we have to get 2000 to like start the monetization and he's like अरे अभी करा देता हूँ
Huh?
and
Oh, dad gave you 1,000 bucks.
and the next day I wake up and I check my I check the channel analytics and I see the subscriber count. It's 925
Yeah, there was a massive jump somehow. So
and
yeah,
and
it's
I
so awesome.
and
मेरे को लगा-
I call my dad and he's like कितने हो गए फिर I'm like ये आपने करवाया क्या कह रहे मैंने भेज दिया अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल में कि सब्सक्राइब करो
Really?
yeah he sent the link to
अरे अंकल के दोस्तों, thank you. Uncle's friend circle is here. अरे. Shit, now you have to be respectful, or?
Yeah.
he
I don't know how many of Uncle's friend circle will be interested in our Deadpool and Wolverine review, but thank you
That's
for
why.
subscribing.
yeah.
That's why. That's the video that got the least number of views. It's
But
fair.
that also took a like that also took a leap. It went from 1,000 views to 1.8 or 1.9.
Oh wow, that's
as of
pretty cool,
now.
man. Nice. यार मेरा चैनल भी इतना अच्छा ग्रो कर रहा है मजा आ रहा है यार. Shit यार क्या कर रहे हो यार तुम लोग यार? But very cool. Who would have thought the 3 of us would amount to
swear.
anything? 1,000 people are chose to hit.
To hit the
subscribe
subscribe
button.
button. Yeah.
I mean, some people had no option because if they want to, so they like us. Like mom, dad, Kirti, my fiance को करना ही
I
पड़ेगा.
swear.
अब imagine Abbas's girlfriend like नहीं यार रहने दो.
Yeah,
High
I don't
chances.
think
High
she has
chances.
Yeah.
Like this is not the kind of content I consume.
So like what has been all to the both of you, I mean I'll think of this. What do you think has been your favorite piece of feedback in the how many episodes have you come out with now of Pop Conversation?
7.
7 episodes. Your favorite feedback, comment?
Oh, actually, I got a very very sweet message the other day.
Yeah.
Surprise! It was from someone who goes by the name Abbas.
Oh, Abbas.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's a listener, dude. He sent me this long message.
Don't read the whole thing.
I'll not read the whole thing, but I'll just read the like few lines, and he's like, उसने basically ये लिखा है कि भाई मुहर्रम के चलते मैं कल्कि और ये सब movies देख नहीं पाया था, तो मैंने आपका कल्कि वाला episode,
He's the religious man that Abbas should be.
and he's like कि
Actually, he also didn't see Kalki.
मैंने कल्कि वाला एपिसोड मिस कर दिया था, तो मैं वेट कर रहा था कि मैं जब मूवी देख कर आऊँ तो मैं वापस से वो देखूं. तो ही एक्चुअली लाइक इट सीन्स फ्रॉम द एपिसोड, बट आई कुड बी लाइक गोइंग आउट ऑन अ लिम एंड सेइंग कि ही एक्चुअली सॉ द फिल्म to watch the
wow, dude.
review.
Yeah.
Man.
And
It's
Yeah.
one of those, when people in all those, the big YouTubers, YouTube reviewers say, if it's a spoiler alert, if you haven't seen this movie,
Yeah.
then
Tune
go tune out. Come back when you watch the movie.
Yeah.
And I often wonder, is anyone really going to come back?
and he actually went out
Yeah,
and
dude, yeah,
watched
yeah.
the film.
Yeah.
man,
And
nice.
then came back, and then he said a very sweet thing on the Friendship Day episode also. He's like, the day your Friendship Day episode dropped, he actually said like उसका एक बहुत अच्छा दोस्त went abroad for studies or for like some work.
Oh,
and he
so that's why that episode got more than 100 subscribers. All these people
bro,
living in the
yeah,
country.
that episode actually got us like
Yeah, quite a lot, man.
काफी सारे
Yeah,
subscribers.
what a jump. It means it's good to be topical. What do you guys think? Should we be doing more of these topical kind of episodes? Like Friendship Day tha, so we did like a friendships episode.
अभी Teacher Day आएगा.
yeah,
तो
what
teachers
do you
day.
want
We've
us to
already
do?
missed the Independence Day episode.
Oh, yeah.
I guess we shouldn't do topical episodes that much. Yeah, we did miss it. What idiots, dude?
Oh yes.
Why did we miss? How
हमने
did
क्या
we miss?
किया है अभी क्या जाएगा? Oh, blind ranking super.
Oh, guys, we have something special coming up.
Superhero
Wait.
draft.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, that's a very good. मुझे तो
We
बहुत
have,
मजा आया.
we have a very good episode coming out with
Yes.
a
A new concept.
format.
Yes.
A new format that
Has never been done on the show at least.
that someone in this room thought of, not me. And let's see what you think. You guys think of it. It's really fun. You guys hope you guys enjoy it.
Yes.
So-
Abbas, what do you think on like what do you have to say on the 1,000 subscribers in like around 40-45 days?
And thanks to everyone who subscribed. I think it's always a morale boost. But my favorite piece of feedback is that guy who said that why do you cut out Antariksh's bits, because जो लोग देख रहे हैं at least उनको तो सुनने दो, something like that.
वैसे भी इतने लोग नहीं देख
I said, वैसे भी कोई नहीं देखता,
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
देख रहा है उनको तो सुनने दो.
हाँ, जो देख रहे हैं उनको
1000
सुनने
लोग
दो.
देख रहे हैं, ओके? 1000 लोग देख रहे हैं.
1000 लोग देख रहे हैं.
साले नहीं, thank you. Also,
1000
another
लोगों
one
ने
is,
सब्सक्राइब किया है, देख तो और भी रहे हैं.
देख
There
तो
must be
ज़्यादा
those
रहे
who
हैं.
That's true.
watch,
Guys,
those
we are
who
told
watch and
that-
don't subscribe.
yeah. Please subscribe, guys.
Please
we are told
subscribe,
that
yeah.
90% of the people, 99% of people who
Yes.
watch this episode do not subscribe to our channel.
Don't
Why is
be
that?
one of the 99%.
Yeah, 99.9% I've heard recently.
क्या वो कीटाणु हो जो डेटॉल से मर जाते हो?
You called us Kitanu, dude?
तभी
Dude,
तो
that's not
सब्सक्राइब
it.
करना और
Oh,
उस
अच्छा.
1%
If you don't know me Kitanu, you subscribe to this channel. Again, we can't thank you guys enough. Another
Yes.
a bit of feedback. Like jokes about us in the comments. We kind of remember.
Yeah.
One of them was, "What does Antariksh have to be this energetic?"
हाँ, so
before-
I want to have what something I want to know what something consumes before the episode to start on this high.
Yeah. That was me. That was directed at me. And then like another one similar to it in a recent episode. There's
हाँ.
one for Abbas. कि इनको तो कुछ पसंद नहीं आता.
Yeah, that is
And there
every
is-
And multiple of these on
Multiple.
every episode. Man, what a thing. That's actually the funniest
I
bit of
think
commentary we get.
just because Abbas got hate on the Maharaja episode,
That
it took
becomes-
up. it's now the most viewed episode.
Wow, great. That's the way to go viral, man.
Should
Internet,
I-
if you're listening.
Should I shit on a Rajnikant movie next?
Oh, bro, फिर
Let's do it. Let's
फिर
do it.
episode
What, you
boost
like
नहीं होगा, आप boost हो जाओगे.
You didn't like Jailer, huh? Jailer was crap according to you. That was pretty good, man.
Abbas is like, from choosing views, now I choose death.
Yeah. Imagine if you do die, Abbas, your viewership of this podcast will go even higher.
Yeah, that's what. Imagine the subscriber
Yeah,
increase.
exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Fair.
It's a happy thought in the end.
But guys, have you made like friends through the podcast by any chance?
Yeah. So not this podcast, but from That Filmy Game Show, right? Because I do it live, I get a lot of those people who are
Ah.
fans of this show and fans of that show who come to the live and then they have a great time and then
Nice.
never come back. No, a few of them come back. Like Divij is a person who comes back every episode for the last, like, he was there for our recording also. The recording you guys did of my show.
Mm-hmm.
I think he was there for that also, right?
No.
Okay, but he comes back for like most episodes. It's fine. It happens. I can't remember
It's
every
fine. It's fine.
But, yeah, so-
Abbas bhai, have you made friends through the podcast?
I don't know about friends, but there's always a small community of listeners who show up. Like if there is any podcasting event or meetup of any sort, they always show up, and you see their names in the comments. They always DM you feedback
Yeah.
about the show,
That's true.
about particular
Yeah,
episodes.
I get a lot of that.
और
Yeah.
Yes.
one thing
It's
जिससे
always
थोड़ी
very
फटती,
heartening.
there's one thing जिससे थोड़ी फटती भी है, but then also feel nice is if you're little late in uploading, there's always the DM
Oh,
ke,
yes.
is the episode not coming this week? Are you guys on a break?
Yeah.
You're
So
right. You're
it's a
right.
little
Yeah.
fire on the ass that we are late on the episode, but also feels good that there are people looking forward
Who
to
are
the
actually
episode to
like
come.
looking forward
So,
to the
yeah.
episode.
Correct.
Yeah, I actually
Yeah.
got
Very
some.
true.
I got a screenshot from someone the other day, and that man was apparently. I'm just scrolling through my list. अगर मुझे उसका नाम दिख जाए तो, but वो किसी और पॉडकास्ट के लाइव में जाके उसने कमेंट किया था कि these are like the three guys who've quit their jobs and they're trying to make something of their own.
Yeah.
Please go and subscribe to the channel.
There
Show
is
some
there is a
love.
correction there. Two of them have quit their jobs. At
Abbas,
the
you
time
quit?
of recording.
So another one.
he actually mentioned at the
Also-
time of recording. हो सकता है कि
हाँ,
आगे जाके
because-
उसके
Correct,
plans
correct,
change
correct,
हो जाए.
Who knows? Anything can
Also,
happen.
I like मतलब हमारा क्लेम टू फेम ये नहीं है कि 3 मंझे हुए पॉडकास्टर्स ने कुछ अपना शुरू किया. नहीं, ये नौकरी इन्होंने छोड़ दी, इनको मदद
छोड़
चाहिए.
दिए.
Please go support.
इनको जरा हेल्प कर दो.
ये बेचारे मर ना जाए
So,
भूख
so
से.
also so if you saw, have you guys been watching Samay Raina's new show, the India's Got Latent?
India's Got Talent, yeah.
No?
Yeah, yeah.
Abbas?
I've seen
I've seen
clips.
clips.
I've not seen the whole
Okay,
thing.
so there was one episode where I think the second last episode, the one with Ashish Solanki on it,
Okay.
he was one of the panelists. There was one guy who won that episode.
Okay.
Okay, he was like a poet who could not remember for the life of him his poem. He started it out like 5 times from scratch, and every time he forgot like some line or the other, and he always like
Okay.
fucked up. Okay, amazing. One of the funniest things I've seen, and like these guys were like giving him a lot of like funny shit for it. Very cool, very funny episode. Check that out if you want. But so they shared that as a reel, that guy's thing, because that was like a highlight part of that episode. And I commented
Right.
saying, okay, hey man, oh man, that was like the highlight of the episode or something like that. I commented, and this guy who was the poet who kept forgetting his thing, he replies to his thing, saying, hey man, I listen to your podcast.
Whoa, nice.
Isn't that crazy?
Nice.
Yeah, I'm like,
nice.
oh shit, dude, that's so awesome. That's so sweet. I couldn't-
इसीलिए
I couldn't
उसकी
stand it.
याददाश्त नहीं चल रही है क्या?
Yeah, correct. उसकी याददाश्त चल रही है.
वो बेचारा वर्सेस याद करने में लगा हुआ है.
हाँ.
गाने के lyrics. Correct. Second was lyrics.
But
Very
I've
important.
actually made a very good friend through the podcast. Her name is Vanish. I've also mentioned her on the episodes, like on some episodes.
Like what, she DM'd you? How did she go to become friends?
ऐसे
Her? अच्छा.
किसी podcast पे
This guy, dude, he's like
अरे?
hitting on his
Yeah,
fans
I
and
know.
all.
No, I'm
I
not.
know, yeah.
I'm
Is
not.
this
I'm
ethical?
so
Do we have to
drunk.
fire Snehal?
Yeah, what is
Snehal, this is an intervention.
Yeah.
You've been
लाल हो
sending
गया
too
bro.
many
लाल हो
DMs.
गया bro.
What the fuck?
Shit, bro.
Bro, that's my
नहीं, नहीं.
t-shirt, not me.
नहीं, go
But
on.
yeah.
हाँ, फिर क्या हुआ?
So I think किसी एपिसोड पे आप लोग ने मेरा मजाक उड़ाया होगा एज यूजुअल.
Like every episode.
तो
वो
like
तो हर
every
episode में,
episode.
हाँ.
तो आई थिंक उसने उसी मजाक को कंटिन्यू करते हुए मुझे डीएम किया था.
Okay.
ये DM में भी रोस्ट
क्या
हो
बोलते
रहा
हो?
है ना, वाह.
मैं
क्या
डीएम में
बोलते
भी रोस्ट ही हो रहा, याद नहीं है अब तो हो गया टाइम. बट वी एक्चुअली लाइक No. She was actually the I think part of. She was on my side. She was like कि ये ऐसी तरह मजाक
Oh,
उड़ाते रहते हैं.
I also like Tarzan the Wonder Car. Something like that.
Okay,
इतने
sure,
DMs
sure,
आया ना
Snail, yeah,
मुझे.
we believe
I
you.
also like Tarzan the Wonder
So
Car.
the thing is, Tarzan the Wonder Car. Let's get into it. Okay, Tarzan the Wonder Car is a childhood film. People's childhood
course.
memories are attached with it. It's a shit film.
No.
Yes, it is. Bottom line, we are done. Moving on from the Tarzan the Wonder Car.
Oh, we haven't mentioned the film enough, I think, on Pop Conversation.
Oh, you think it's needed? This guy, dude. Okay. What else can we? While thanking our listeners, what else can
We cut a
tease?
cake. You guys want to show the cake? We cut
Oh,
a
fuck.
cake
Oh,
to
yes, we have a
celebrate the
cake.
1,000
Shit.
subscribers.
Thanks Abbas for reminding us of cake.
अभी waste
We
हो
would have-
जाता.
I know
We would
because
have-
I'm not there to eat the cake.
Yes,
Oh,
correct.
हाँ, do we want to address why he's not here?
Yeah, because
Lazy ass.
because the thought that हम cake के लिए कहीं भी जा सकते हैं doesn't apply to Abbas.
Oh, Abbas, 10 brownie points if you guess the film.
Of course he knows this film, dude.
Oh, dil chahta hai, bro. Why are you
What
even
are you
asking?
talking about, bro?
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
I thought let's test.
You thought you were gonna be all cool about
yeah,
it.
bro.
Okay, so how should we do? No. You keep it on that only.
अच्छा, okay.
We get that here.
तो पहले
Okay.
ये इधर ले आओ.
Abbas, you can see the table thing, no?
Yeah, I can.
यार एक और प्यार
एक
फिर
और
से
केक
यार।
खाना पड़ जाएगा. Shit.
यार।
क्या ही पैदा हो गया खामखा.
Okay. So till
Bro,
then,
by the way, I'm at Antariksh's place. Fucking awesome place, bro.
I mean, right now it's under
I
construction.
know. Antariksha is loaded.
Bro.
Yeah.
No, dad is loaded. I just survive. All right, guys.
कैसे दिखाएंगे कैसे केक?
गिरे ना पकड़ मैं करता हूँ.
चलेगा दिख रहा है.
आपको दिख रहा है फ्रेम में नहीं दिख रहा. Guys, here's the cake.
Here's the cake.
Here's the cake.
And now Snail
ये
will
हाथ
cut it.
पकड़ो. साथ में काटते हैं भाई.
अच्छा. Okay, साथ में काटेंगे तो I
तीसरा
will
हाथ
just
चाहिए उसके
I will have to leave my mic, guys. Please bear. Okay.
3, 2,
1.
1.
Happy
मैं भी यहाँ से काट
1,000 subscribers to us.
Happy
Happy 1,000 subscribers to us.
बहुत बड़ा है. That's what she said.
Tired of a sex tape.
1,000 guys. That's what she
1,000, dude. That's
1,000
actually
subscribers.
a very
said. Soft cake. What are you saying?
नहीं मैं बोल रहा वाला था. That's चलो पहले आप खा लो.
नहीं यार. बिंदास है.
कोई नहीं खाओगा. अब्बास भाई through the
Yes.
screens.
Yes. वैसे मुझे कैमरे पे मुंह खोलने थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है.
नहीं it's fine. I'm just saying through the screens. Thank you
Yes. Cheers.
to all you guys. पर
Thank you.
ये
Thank
छोटी
you so
छोटी
much,
खुशियां
guys.
तो होती हैं. देखो भाई, हजार सब्सक्राइबर्स हो सकता है इन द लार्जर पिक्चर, लार्जर स्कीम ऑफ अफेयर्स इतनी कोई बड़ी चीज ना हो, बट अगर आप देखो तो हम तीनों ने, आई थिंक दिस इज वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट थिंग्स दैट वी स्टार्टेड ऑन आवर ओन,
Yeah.
and with actually no backing, no like this is all us,
This is absolutely all us.
And-
We can't thank you guys enough, man.
and that's why this means this much. केक वेक आ रहा है, हम लोग like I think रात को 11 बज रहे हैं, 10 बज रहे हैं, हम लोग बैठ के
Yeah,
he's
correct, dude.
like this actually means a lot to us, and yeah, thank
Guys, I have an idea.
Yeah.
When we hit our 1,000,000 subscribers, we should react to this video.
Yes,
When
you're
we
right.
hit our
Oh,
1,000,000.
nice.
That's great. That's great. That's great. It'll be basically the same.
Maybe a
So-
bigger cake. Maybe.
How long do you think now it takes us to reach 10,000? Then like
End of the
100,000?
year, bro.
10,000 end of the year?
Hmm.
End of the year.
Yeah, why not? Yes.
Okay, guys, my
Like
wedding is
3
coming up in
months from
December.
now.
मेरी wedding आ रही है दिसंबर में, तो तब
End
तक
of
करवा
the
देना.
year is
तब तक
3
करवा
months
देना.
from now.
हाँ,
bro,
क्या अगस्त तो
September,
चल रहा है.
October.
सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर,
August,
4 महीने.
September, November.
Guys, so you have a new target now.
It's up to you. Again, thank you so much, guys. You guys have been too kind, and all the comments we get, we absolutely read, even though some of you guys are very hurtful. But we absolutely read all the comments, and it's very nice that you guys are so enthusiastic about our show, and it makes us want to give you guys more awesome episodes.
Keep
and very
recording,
cool.
actually.
Keep recording, and we'll be doing a lot more things on our own channels, on this channel. You'll see a lot more of us. all over
Abbas
YouTube.
is probably going to start something on his own channel.
Yes.
जैसे उन्होंने टीज किया था.
Yeah, please
So-
subscribe. I'm at 369 subscribers. मेरे को भी 500 तक ले आओ यार.
69. Nice.
So do search for Abbas's name on YouTube. and you'll find him with
Yes,
a mic
please.
in the display picture.
Yes.
Go subscribe to his channel.
The account that you find of Abbas without the mic, that's the fake profile. So don't subscribe to that one. It has to be the one with the
That
mic.
person
okay?
probably
That's
will
the-
slide into your DM.
Yeah, that guy is a creep. Is a creep.
No, that's
it's not
that's
by-
our fan who watches the movies for our reviews.
That's the Abbas guy. That's the other Abbas.
Wow, Abbas
Literally
called
fan.
him a fan.
Literally fan, the movie reference, fan. Yeah. Okay, cool. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank
this
you
was
so
a very
much,
short.
guys. Yes.
Thank you so
recording.
much.
It's
Video.
not an episode.
a
It's
video.
just like
It's a
a
recording.
thank you clip
Yes.
of sorts.
It's celebrating.
Yes.
If you're celebrating
1,000.
1,000.
1,000. If that was.
वो
the
ऐसे वो 7 करोड़ की जगह 1,000
Yeah, yeah,
डालेंगे
correct,
नीचे.
correct.
हाँ, 1,000 डाल दिया।
But see you with
Alright.
such a video at 10,000
Yes, absolutely 10,000.
by the
Yeah,
end of
why
the
not?
year.
नहीं, bro, हम 25.
I mean, if you want, we'll make it for every 1,000.
Yeah. Every 1,000. If you want a video like this for every
For every 1,000.
you tell us.
नीचे मिलेगा चप चूते.
Yeah, we'll do it 100 times if required. Damn it.
Yeah.
Okay, chalo. See you
Yes,
guys.
See you guys.
Again
Bye bye.
Thank
next
you
week
so
or this
much.
week.
This week only भाई. This
Oh.
week अभी आ जाएगा
हाँ ठीक है.
episode.
तो चलो see you in the next video,
अभी
guys.
और पता है अगले वीडियो में हमने बोला है होप करो कि हमारे 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो जाए by the time we record this episode.
अरे
Ah,
so
thank
sweet.
you thank
So
you so
nice.
much guys. Thank you so
Yes.
much. आपने हमें
Thank you.
अपना एपिसोड रिकॉर्ड करने से पहले ही 1,000 एपिसोड
कहते हैं जब पूरी क्या हो रहा है
पूरी शिद्दत से
पूरी
किसी चीज
शिद्दत
को
से
चाहो
किसी को
तो
चाहो,
पूरी
पूरी
कायनात
तो कायनात
उसको तुम्हें मिलाने में लग जाती है. I wanted 1,000 people to like me. Thank you guys. All right, we'll see you again next week. Bye bye.
Bye.